Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Azka Aulia. And then my partner is Arka Daniswara Hafiland. And then we are from 4SC7. And in this video, we will presentation our review paper. The title is Implementation of a Web-based Job Training Administration System using the Code Igniter Framework. Okay, enjoy this video. First, what is framework? Framework is a platform for developing software applications. It provides a foundation on which software developers can build programs for a specific platform. In the PHP framework, the method used is MVC. MVC itself is a method for separating parts of a web application. MVC stands for model, view, and controller. MVC consists of three parts, namely model. The model represents the data structure. Usually, the model contains functions that help us in the database management, such as entering data into the database, updating data, and others. And then view. View is the part that manages the view to the user. You can say in the form of a web page. And the last, controller. The controller is the part, the bridge, the model, and view. The controller contains PHP scripts that function to process data and send it to a web page. The advantage of using a software frameworks. First, assist in establishing better programming practice and fitting use of design patterns. Second, code is more secure. Third, duplicate and redundant code can be avoided. 4. Helps consistent developing code with fewer bugs. And the next, makes it easier to work on sophisticated technologies. And the last, one could create their software framework or contribute to open source frameworks. Hence, there is a continuous improvement in the functionality. What is Code Igniter? Code Igniter is a web application, an open source framework that used to build dynamic PHP application. The main goal of developing Code Igniter is to help developers to work on application is faster than writing all the code from the beginning. Code Igniter is built using the concept, model, view, and controller, or MVC, development pattern. Code Igniter features. First, model, view, controller, base framework. Second, support for the majority of database types. Third, support query builder. Fourth, independent. 5, for and form and data validation. And the next, session management. And then secure website from XSS or cross-site scripting. And the last, file uploading class.
Hello, my name is Arka Daniswara, and I'm going to continue my friend's explanation. Okay, it is the application's flowchart. They use three diagrams in their application. First is the diagram alur penetapan pembimbing KP. And then second, diagram alur penetapan pembimbing TA. And the last one is diagram alur administrasi pelaksanaan ujian TA. This is their application design. This is the view that appears when we have selected the year and module. on the work administration information system application practice and final project have two groups of few users, namely operators and students. Operator user group can access all menus on the application while the group student users can only access support menu. Oh yeah, this is the result test of their application. The picture shows the results of the test carried on the functions contained in the practical work administration system in this final project. We can conclude that application testing shows all the functions contained in this application can work as expected and there are no errors. In the in the hasil pengujian column, as you can see, the results are berhasil. This is our suggestion and conclusion for for their project, for their papers. The conclusion is it can be concluded that the writers and designers of the application can create and work on the work administration information system application until it succeeds as expected by using the coordinator framework. And our suggestion is there are many shortcomings such as the UI or UX display, which is made very simple. Even though the title of the journal uses the coordinator framework, which functions to speed up and make it easier for us to create websites and can produce a neat programming structure, both in terms of code and file structure. From the result we haven't seen, is it is better not to use coordinator as a framework. It is better to use Visual Studio Code instead. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, that's enough of our explanation for the review paper. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.